Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is the first video you will see when you search my channel on the YouTube. Why? Because I just create this video just to show you how you can use our content. Okay, for example, I create Windows 10 for beginner playlist. As you can see in this video, I just going to teach you how you can use this course or the other course that we are going to publish. For example, our Word course. So uh, this video is for the PC. In this one, I'm going to just show you how you can use our video playlist on the computer. Then we jump to the mobile. Okay, I search my channel name, which is Dr.Comp. This is our channel. In here, when you go to the playlist, you will see, for example, learning Windows 10 playlist. But before jump to the playlist and tell it to you, don't forget to subscribe and put the notification to all. When we upload a video, you are the first one that you get notified. Okay, our first learning Windows 10 playlist. As you can see, it's going to start teaching us, for example, all the things about mouse. I start teaching you with the mouse. Okay, this is as basic as it should be. Very high quality, recorded 1080. As you can see, up to now, 24 of them is released. We have many other videos for just these. For example, Windows 10 tutorial, hardware tutorial, software tutorial, Microsoft Excel tutorial, many others. If you don't know anything about Windows and you're just going to start, you can watch it from the first one. But no, if you want, for example, just to learn, for example, recycle bin tips and tricks, you can press that and start learning what's going on just recycle bin and learn the tricks of that. This is a way that you can do it on the PC. Okay, if you like this content, press the like button. Don't forget to do that. And if you have any question, type it in the comment section. I will answer it as fast as possible. Maybe I create a video and tag your ID. Okay, let's jump to the mobile and see how we can go and use this playlist.
Press on YouTube. In here, go to the search bar and type our name. This is our channel. And in here, press on playlist. In here, this is learning Windows 10. When you press that, you will see all of the videos that we published from the first one up to the final one.